Hello guys, welcome to next video of this playlist Python for beginners. I am sure you might have got a question mark on your face after seeing the thumbnail of this video. The thumbnail of the video says that good morning sir. The reason behind using such thumbnail is that I will be challenging you another project after this project of guess the number game. So your task is very simple. You have to simply get the current time from your local system, and based on the current time you have to wish good morning, good afternoon, good evening or good night. Suppose the current time is 3:23 p.m. in India. So according to the Indian culture it's afternoon. So the message should be good afternoon sir. If the current time was 6 p.m. then message must be good evening sir. Or if it's 9 a.m. then the message must be good morning sir. I hope you have got the project task. Before moving ahead and explaining the source code, I challenge you to pause this video and try to do it on yourself. So you will get confidence in Python programming language. I hope you accepted the challenge and tried to code on yourself. Now I will show you the proper code of this task. So I will simply go to destination folder, which is this, as you can see. And the source code of this video is available in the video description in my GitHub account. You can simply access from there. So now let's open this folder in VS Code so that I can explain you the proper code of this task. And VS Code has opened, and this is a simple 18 lines of code. I will explain you the code line by line, so don't worry. So first is importing datetime package. This package is inbuilt in Python, which simply gives you current time, current date along with minutes and seconds. After that, to get the current time from this package, I have to use the datetime.datetime.now method of this package. So simply I have written the same in line number 3, which is current time equal to datetime.datetime.now. This will give us the current time along with current date. After that, I have printed the current time and written here as r is equal to current time dot r. This will simply give us the count of r. Suppose the current time is 4 hours and 36 minutes. So it will simply give me 4 and not entire time, because we are only interested in hours. And after that I have simply written this text for testing purpose. So I will simply comment it now. So the current time is around, as you can see, let's refresh it, 3:28 p.m. So I will simply first show the output. So I will clear the screen and simply type python ep14.py and simply hit the enter button. And as you can see, the first is the output of this current time variable. So the data in current time variable is current year, current month, current day and current time along with seconds, which is 91, 82, 47 and so on. And the output is good morning sir. So this was the simple task that you have to do, and I hope you have performed this task. So let's move to the explanation now. So the explanation till line number 5 is clear. Now let's move to the if and elif part. I have already explained this what is if elif part in the previous lectures. So if you have not watched that, please go and watch that first. So the first part is if part. So in if part, suppose the content is 0 to 12, which means it's 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. So initially that time is set as good morning time. So if the r variable contains 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 12, then the message will be good morning. And if the time is between 12 p.m. to 4 p.m., which is 16 in 24-hour format, then the message will be good afternoon. And suppose the time is between 16 to 21, which means from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m., then it means it's evening and the message will be good evening. And if the time is greater than 21 to 24, which means the current time is between 9 p.m. to 12 a.m., then it's good night and the message will be good night, and all the message will be stored in common variable, which is greetings, as you can see. After that, if users type any random number, then it must be print something, because our program must not receive any error. So that's why I have written else it's invalid time. So that's why I have added a testing variable. So the current time is 15:28, which is 3:28 p.m. And if I once again run the program, let's say for 17, which means it's 5 p.m. currently. So the answer must be good evening. And as you can see, the answer is good evening. and let's check for night also. So let's say the time is around 22, which means it's 10 p.m. So the answer is good night sir, which is correct. And suppose a user is a small child or he doesn't know anything about this program, so he simply writes 35. So there is no such 35 time in our clock system. So if I run the program, it will simply give its invalid time sir, so which is correct. So this is called error handling. The program has not generated any errors but has provided me intimation that this is wrong time. Hence we have successfully completed this good morning sir task in only 18 lines of code. I hope you have enjoyed this task. In further videos I will be explaining you more such tasks once I teach you concept of Python. So stay tuned to this playlist and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. So here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.